Welcome to the Deep Dive with Farmtips Diary. Blockchain might sound like something from the world of cryptocurrency, but on farms and in food supply chains, it is quickly becoming a tool that can change how we track, trust, and transact with our food. This technology is transforming farm-to-table traceability in ways that help farmers, consumers, and everyone in between. To start, let's unpack what blockchain actually is. At its core, blockchain is a digital ledger. Think of it like a notebook that everyone can see, but no one can erase. Once information is recorded, it cannot be altered without leaving a trail. This makes it ideal for situations where trust, transparency, and proof of origin are essential. In the farming world, blockchain can be used to log every step of the food journey. That could start with recording the exact location where a crop was grown, the date it was harvested, and even the weather conditions at the time. As the product moves through processing, shipping, and storage, each step is recorded and timestamped. The result is a permanent, secure record of the product's life cycle. Now imagine you are a consumer at a supermarket. You pick up a package of tomatoes and scan a QR code. In seconds, you see the farm they came from, the date they were picked, and the route they took to get to the store. This kind of transparency is not just a novelty, it builds trust and can help farmers secure premium prices for their produce. For farmers, blockchain offers a way to differentiate themselves in a competitive market. If you can prove your crops are organic, sustainably grown, or free from certain chemicals, you can use blockchain to back up those claims with verifiable data. This can make a big difference when negotiating with buyers or targeting export markets that require strict certifications. It also helps when things go wrong. Food recalls can be expensive and damaging to a farmer's reputation. Blockchain allows for rapid traceability, meaning if contamination is detected, the source can be pinpointed in minutes instead of days. This reduces waste, lowers costs, and limits damage to the brand. Of course, blockchain is not without challenges. Implementing it requires technology, training, and cooperation across the entire supply chain. Farmers may need to invest in sensors, software, and internet connectivity. There is also the question of standardization. If every company uses a different system, it becomes harder to integrate the data into a single accessible chain. Despite these hurdles, the momentum is building. Large retailers, food exporters, and certification bodies are increasingly pushing for blockchain adoption. In some countries, it is even becoming part of government-led initiatives to boost food safety and export quality. The benefits go beyond traceability. Blockchain can also be integrated with smart contracts. These are automated agreements that execute when certain conditions are met. For example, payment to a farmer could be automatically released once a shipment arrives and quality checks are passed. This reduces disputes and ensures timely payment. Blockchain can also support sustainability goals by tracking carbon footprints, water usage, and other environmental metrics. It can help farms prove their eco-friendly practices to buyers and regulators. There are also possibilities for linking blockchain with other emerging technologies. Artificial intelligence can analyze blockchain data to predict trends, detect inefficiencies, and optimize logistics. Drones and sensors can feed real-time data into the blockchain, creating a live, evolving record of farm activities. For smaller farms, blockchain might seem like an expensive leap, but there are cooperative models emerging. Multiple farms can share the cost of a blockchain platform, or join networks set up by buyers, processors, or industry associations. These shared systems make it more accessible and less intimidating for farmers who are new to digital tools. The future of blockchain in farming will likely depend on three things: cost, connectivity, and collaboration. If costs come down, rural internet access improves, and stakeholders are willing to work together, blockchain could become as common in food supply chains as barcodes are today. As consumers become more conscious about where their food comes from, the demand for proof will only increase. Farmers who adopt blockchain early may find themselves ahead of the curve, with stronger relationships, better prices, and a more resilient business model. So the next time you see a QR code on fresh produce, remember it is more than just a piece of tech. It is a window into the story of your food, powered by blockchain, and it might just be the future of farming. If you found this deep dive insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Clicking the notification bell will keep you updated whenever we release new explorations like this one. We hope this exploration has been valuable. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive. See you again on our next deep dive.